business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs of Iowa. We hope your day is going fantastic. Have you ever pondered about the crucial yet often overlooked aspect of running a business? Yep, we are talking about having a registered agent. Before we go over why you need a registered agent, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. So, what's a registered agent, you ask? Think of it as the bridge between your business and the state. It's an official point of contact, someone or a service that's legally authorized to accept vital documents, service of process, and other official mail on behalf of your business. Now let's throw in a cool statistic. Did you know that over 30% of businesses end up facing issues because they either didn't have a registered agent or they failed to update their current one? Here's the deal. In Iowa, it's not just a cool thing to have, it's a requirement. If you want to form a limited liability company, a corporation, or any other legal entity in Iowa, you must have a registered agent. So where do we come into the picture? Legalregistration.com is here to make sure that never happens to you. Yep, that's right. As the #1 registered agent service in the nation, we are standing by to be that bridge for you, ensuring you never miss any vital communication. When you choose us, you're choosing reliability, promptness, and the assurance that your business will always stay compliant. We've helped thousands nationwide, and many businesses in Iowa have entrusted their registered agent needs to us. So, whether you're deep into your business journey or just setting sail, remember, our experts are here ready to support your dream. To set up a world-class registered agent service for your business quicker, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to access our agent services over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on registered agents? Does it make sense to you why having an agent is a government requirement for so many businesses? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.